Hello and welcome to another video by your boy, Mr.G, using the DJI-OM5 gimbal for some silky smooth video production today. And we are reviewing, testing the functionality here of the SunJoe chipper, mulch maker, machine, electric. Very good job with the videography there, Ed. I mean, stay in the frame. The SunJoe electric wood chipper and shredder, made in China. 94 dBs. I was running about 11:30 p.m. last night. And model number CJ603E, serial number. There, we got a nice little cord hook. I didn't see that before. Mr. SunJoe. Let's do some more shredding, chipping. Gotta get out of the sun. Whew. These gloves are a pain to get off. As you can see, it's I don't know. First I thought, oh man, this thing's just like a gimmick. I can see definitely it's got use, but if you got a large property, more than just a few things, yeah, it's probably not for you. You'd be better off definitely going and renting something you can throw all sizes into, without having to further cut them down to get them in the chopper shredder. You know, it's like using a paper shredder pretty much. You're gonna get bogged down if you put too much in at once. I mean, as for using it for mulch, problems like that. I mean, rough mulch, yeah. Overall, you know, these leaves start to wilt more, break down. Get these big chunks out. It's not too bad. SunJoe electric chipper shredder. Again, it comes with a paddle, as you can see from my shredding. So this is the main thing. I mean, I don't know what other maintenance needs to be done. It needs to be oiled or what, but you have this counter plate. Basically, it pushes a gap between the blade and the outside blade. That's fixed, but you see, you gotta close that gap up. Otherwise, you can see some of them were just getting pulled through without getting. Oh, this thing. DJI, thanks for China. Like this, too big, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I feel like that's probably too big, but you know, I haven't really pushed it real hard yet. As for using it for mulch, problems like that. I mean, rough mulch, yeah. Overall, you know, these leaves start to wilt more, break down. Get these big chunks out. too bad. The SunJoe electric chipper shredder. Again, comes with the paddle, as you can see from my shredding. So this is the main thing. I mean, I don't know what other maintenance needs to be done. It needs to be oiled or what, but you have this counter plate. Basically, it pushes a gap between the blade and the outside blade. That's fixed, but so you gotta close that gap up. Otherwise, you can see some of them were just getting pulled through without getting. Oh, this thing. DJI, thanks, China. You gotta close that gap, or it's just gonna pull it through and not really shred it, chop it. It's gonna be like, I don't know, some of those. If you watched me shredding them, you've seen ones that had to feed back through, like stuff like this. And this one partially done. I got this thing luckily brand new in the box at the pawn shop for $100. I think I saw it on Amazon for $170, which that's as of August 2022. Who knows whether it'd be up or down or what. But it's a pretty simple machine, and you know, for $100, I'm worried about it lasting with that kind of but if it lasts, then yeah. So this is really an item that needs a long-term review. So if you can get it at a reasonable price and you got a small yard, you know, go for it. You know, it's just a subdivision yard, typical. Grew up on an 80-acre property farm, so you know, thinking to work there. But see, these are the branches we got to shred. I mean, this one's pretty big. Yeah, some of these aren't going to be shredding; they're going to have to be just chopped up. I don't know about using it as mulch. It's really rustic mulch. And heck, if it works, it works. You know, for functionality. If you're for cosmetics, it may not be the best choice. Thanks again for watching. Mr. G here, wishing you a great day. So thanks again for watching. This is Mr. G, and make sure and subscribe because I got all kinds more good stuff. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about the machine. What kind of reviews you'd like to see. What kind of information do I need to cover that you're interested in that I may not have covered. And yeah, I'm gonna have to make different channels for stuff like this car or my truck that people aren't interested in seeing on this channel. That's what YouTube says you gotta do, so that's what I'm gonna do. A ton of different channels for a ton of different content. Thank you again. God bless. Peace, love. I'm out.